Today, we discuss the scientific benefits of Magalix D3, promoted by Azmed Healthcare, and its role in managing bone health and intrauterine growth restriction. Importance of bone health in women. As gynecologists, we often encounter women at various stages of life facing bone health challenges. Postmenopausal women, in particular, are vulnerable to osteoporosis due to declining estrogen levels, leading to reduced bone density and an increased risk of fractures. Similarly, during pregnancy, the growing fetus demands additional nutrients, impacting maternal calcium and magnesium stores. Introducing Magalix D3. This is where Magalix D3 comes into play. It combines magnesium glycinate, a highly bioavailable form of magnesium, with vitamin D3, a critical nutrient for calcium absorption and bone health. This powerful combination works synergistically to optimize calcium metabolism and maintain bone strength. Role in pregnancy. Addressing IUGR. In pregnancy, magnesium plays a vital role in improving uteroplacental blood flow, reducing the risk of intrauterine growth restriction (IUGR). It supports placental function by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, ensuring the fetus receives adequate nutrients and oxygen. Vitamin D3, on the other hand, enhances placental calcium transport, supporting fetal skeletal development. Benefits in postmenopausal women. For postmenopausal women, Magalix D3 reduces bone resorption and increases bone mineral density. Magnesium regulates parathyroid hormone PTH, preventing calcium loss, while vitamin D3 ensures optimal calcium absorption. Clinical evidence and indications. Studies have shown that magnesium deficiency impairs vitamin D metabolism, leading to poor calcium absorption and weakened bones. Supplementing with Magalix D3 addresses this dual deficiency effectively. It's indicated for 1. Osteoporosis prevention and management. 2. Postmenopausal bone health. 3. Management of IUGR during pregnancy. 4. Muscle weakness and fall prevention in older women. Incorporating Magalix D3 into your patient's care regimen can significantly improve their quality of life, whether it's enhancing bone health in postmenopausal women or supporting fetal growth during pregnancy. Trust Azmed Healthcare's commitment to quality and innovation.